Our planet, a blue marble in the vast expanse of space. It spins, it rotates relentlessly at a speed we barely notice. 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, a silent, invisible force propelling us through the cosmos. We don't feel it, this constant motion. We take it for granted, this celestial dance that shapes our everyday. But what if it stopped? What if this cosmic ballet came to a sudden, screeching halt? The consequences would be devastating, unimaginable, a cataclysmic reshaping of our world as we know it. It's a thought experiment, a terrifying glimpse into the fragility of our existence. The Earth's rotation isn't just a cosmic quirk, it's the very foundation of life itself. It dictates our days and nights, the rhythms of nature, the ebb and flow of the tides. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the very fabric of our existence is interwoven with this constant spin. Without it, our planet would be unrecognizable. The delicate balance of our ecosystems would shatter. The familiar patterns of weather would dissolve into chaos. The very air we breathe would become a swirling, toxic soup. Imagine, if you will, a world where the sun stands still, a world where one hemisphere bakes under its unrelenting gaze, while the other plunges into an endless, frozen night. Imagine the winds howling across the planet with unimaginable fury, driven by the extreme temperature differences. Imagine the oceans surging and swelling, reshaping continents with their might. This is the scenario we must confront in our thought experiment. A world without spin, a world where the very laws of nature are rewritten. It's a terrifying prospect, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains us. And yet, it's a journey we must take, if only to appreciate the miracle of our spinning Earth. Imagine a sunrise that stretches on for months, an unrelenting blaze of heat and light. This wouldn't be a gentle summer sun, a warm embrace on a lazy afternoon. This would be the sun as a weapon, a relentless assault on the very fabric of life. Plants would wither and die, scorched by the unending solar radiation. Animals, desperate for respite, would succumb to heat stroke and dehydration. The ground itself would bake, turning to dust beneath our feet. Rivers and lakes would evaporate, leaving behind vast, arid plains. The air would shimmer with heat, making each breath a struggle for survival. This wouldn't be a world we recognize, but a hellscape, forged in the heart of a dying star. Section 2. The Night That Never Breaks. On the other side of our shattered planet, a different kind of horror would unfold. Here the sun would be a distant memory, a ghost light in a sky forever cloaked in darkness. Temperatures would plummet, far below anything humanity has ever experienced. The land would freeze solid, encased in a shell of ice and snow. Plants would wither and die, starved of the sunlight they need to survive. Animals, unable to find food or shelter, would freeze to death, their bodies entombed in the ever-growing ice. The air itself would grow thin and frigid, each breath a painful reminder of the life that once thrived here. Section 3. The Raging Storms. The abrupt halt of Earth's rotation wouldn't be a silent affair. It would unleash a fury unlike anything our planet has ever witnessed. The atmosphere, no longer bound by the planet's spin, would be thrown into chaos. Winds of unimaginable force would tear across the surface, ripping apart anything in their path. Hurricanes, dwarfing anything in recorded history, would rage across the oceans, their fury fueled by the extreme temperature differences between the sunlit and shadowed sides of the planet. These wouldn't be storms, but instruments of destruction, reshaping coastlines and swallowing entire cities beneath their wrath. Section 4. A World in Chaos. The immediate consequences of Earth's sudden stop would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The planet, once a vibrant tapestry of life, would be torn asunder. The delicate balance of our ecosystems would be shattered beyond repair. The rhythms of nature, the very heartbeat of our world, would cease to exist. In the blink of an eye, our world would transform into a nightmarish vision of what might have been. A stark reminder of the fragility of our existence and the awesome power of the forces that govern our universe. Our planet, in its ceaseless journey through space, faces a constant barrage of cosmic threats. The sun, our life-giving star, also bombards us with deadly radiation. These invisible rays, a relentless stream of energy, have the potential to strip away our atmosphere, to leave our world a barren wasteland. But Earth has a protector, a silent guardian that shields us from this cosmic onslaught, our magnetic field. Generated deep within the Earth's core, this invisible shield is a force to be reckoned with. It deflects the solar wind, those charged particles streaming from the sun, preventing them from stripping away our atmosphere. It's a delicate dance, this interaction between our planet and its star, a balance that ensures our survival. But what happens when that balance is disrupted? What happens when our silent guardian falls? The Earth's rotation plays a crucial role in maintaining our planet's delicate climate. It distributes heat from the equator to the poles, driving the complex system of air and water currents that regulate our weather patterns. It's a finely tuned system, one that has allowed life to flourish for billions of years. But without the Earth's spin, this delicate balance would collapse. The equator, locked in an eternal day, would become an inferno. The air thick with scorching heat. The poles, shrouded in perpetual darkness, would freeze solid, their icy grip extending towards the equator. The temperate zones, once home to the majority of life on Earth, would be torn apart by extreme weather events. Hurricanes of unimaginable fury would rage across the oceans, while tornadoes ripped through the land with unprecedented violence. The oceans, those vast bodies of water that cover most of our planet, are not immune to the consequences of Earth's halted spin. The gravitational pull of the moon, the celestial body that governs our tides, would no longer be balanced by Earth's rotation. This would have a profound impact on our oceans, reshaping coastlines and wreaking havoc on coastal communities. The water, no longer held in check by the centrifugal force of Earth's spin, would flow towards the poles, drawn by the moon's relentless pull. Sea levels would rise dramatically in some areas, while others would see their coastlines recede. The once familiar rhythm of the tides, the ebb and flow that shapes life in our oceans, would be replaced by a chaotic sloshing, a constant reminder of the planet's altered state. The long-term effects of Earth's sudden stop would be nothing short of transformative. The planet, once a vibrant and diverse ecosystem, would be forever changed. The familiar continents, the lifeblood of our world, would be reshaped by the shifting tides and extreme weather patterns. New landscapes would emerge, while others would vanish beneath the waves. The very forces that have shaped our planet for billions of years, the tectonic plates that shift and collide beneath our feet, would be affected by the lack of rotation. Earthquakes would become more frequent and intense as the Earth's crust adjusted to its new equilibrium. Volcanoes, dormant for millennia, would erupt with renewed fury, spewing ash and lava into the atmosphere. This would be a world in constant flux, a world where the only constant is change. The scenario we've been exploring, the sudden stop of Earth's rotation, is a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence. The very forces that govern our planet, the cosmic ballet that we take for granted, can turn against us in an instant. If such a cataclysm were to occur, the survival of humanity would be in jeopardy. The immediate aftermath, with its extreme weather, shifting tides, and collapsing climate, would be a period of unimaginable hardship. But humans are a resilient species. Throughout history, we've faced countless challenges, from natural disasters to pandemics, and emerged time and again from the ashes of despair. Could we, with our ingenuity and determination, find a way to survive in this new, alien world? Could we adapt to the perpetual day and night, the extreme temperatures, the ever-present threat of natural disasters? The answers, as with all things uncertain, lie somewhere between hope and despair. Faced with a hostile surface, our gaze would inevitably turn inwards, towards the Earth's protective embrace. Underground cities, a concept often relegated to science fiction, could become our only hope for survival. Deep beneath the surface, shielded from the harsh realities above, we could create self-sustaining environments, powered by geothermal energy and illuminated by artificial light. These subterranean havens would need to be more than just shelters. They would need to become cradles of civilization, where we could preserve our knowledge, our culture, and our hopes for the future. Hydroponic farms, utilizing artificial light, could provide sustenance. Water, carefully collected and recycled, would become a precious commodity. And above all, a spirit of community, of shared purpose, would be essential to weathering the long, dark night that had fallen upon humanity. While seeking refuge underground might offer a temporary reprieve, it wouldn't be a permanent solution. Humanity, with its innate desire to explore, to reach for the stars, couldn't remain confined to the shadows forever. We would need to find a way to reclaim the surface, to restore balance to our world. Could technology, the very force that has propelled us forward throughout history, offer a lifeline in this time of need? Imagine a network of orbital mirrors, strategically positioned to reflect sunlight onto the darkened hemisphere, simulating the day-night cycle that is so crucial to life. These artificial suns, powered by solar energy, could provide the much-needed light and heat to jumpstart the planet's recovery. While a monumental undertaking, it would be a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of hope in the face of overwhelming odds. The sudden stop of Earth's rotation would be a defining moment in human history. It would be a test of our resilience, our adaptability, and our will to survive. The world as we know it would be gone, replaced by a strange alien landscape. But even in the darkest of times, hope endures. Perhaps in this new world stripped bare of its familiar comforts, we would rediscover the things that truly matter: community, compassion, and the indomitable spirit of exploration that defines our species. Perhaps from the ashes of destruction, a new dawn would arise, a dawn where humanity, tempered by adversity, emerges stronger and more united than ever before. Our journey through this hypothetical hellscape has been harrowing. Imagine now standing on this transformed Earth. The once familiar hum of our planet, the subtle vibration we never noticed, is gone. An unsettling silence hangs in the air, heavy and profound. The sun, a blazing eye in the endless day, or a distant memory in the eternal night, casts long, unfamiliar shadows. The winds howl a constant dirge, a testament to the planet's disrupted atmosphere. The oceans, once teeming with life, now churn unpredictably, their movements driven by the moon's lonely pull. The landscapes, twisted and reshaped, bear the scars of unimaginable forces. The Earth, once our cradle, now stands as a stark monument to the fragility of life. Could anything survive this dramatic reshaping of Earth? Could humanity, the self-proclaimed master of this planet, find a way to endure? Could we burrow deep underground, creating artificial havens, clinging to the memory of the world we once knew? Or would we rise to the challenge, using our ingenuity to terraform this new Earth, to coax life back from the brink? The answers remain shrouded in uncertainty, a stark reminder of the power of the universe we inhabit. The question of survival in the face of such overwhelming odds becomes a testament to the human spirit, our unyielding desire to persevere, to adapt, to overcome. The scenario we've explored, as extreme as it may seem, serves as a powerful reminder. We are not masters of the universe but participants in its grand dance. The laws of physics, the delicate balance of forces, shape our very existence. Our understanding of these forces, our ability to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, is the key to our future. By exploring the impossible, by asking what if, we push the boundaries of our knowledge. We gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate beauty of our own planet, the preciousness of life itself. And perhaps, in the face of unimaginable challenges, we discover within ourselves the strength, the resilience, the boundless potential that defines our species.